Are you constantly missing veins when starting IVS? You're not alone, and it doesn't mean you're a bad nurse, medic, or student. It means you need better technique, targeting, and a touch of patience. Let's break this down, clearly and simply. 1. You're rushing the process. Slow down. Take 10 to 15 seconds to palpate the vein, not just see it, but feel it. A bouncy, spongy feel is your green light. 2. Wrong angle, wrong depth. Most misses happen because you're too shallow or way too deep. Stick to 10 to 30 degrees, and once you feel that pop, drop the angle and advance slowly. 3. Tension is key. No tension, no control. Use your non-dominant hand to anchor the vein. Firmly, but not forcefully. A moving target is harder to hit, so lock it down. For you're going in cold, warm veins or happy veins. If your patient's cold, circulation is limited. Use a warm compress for 5 minutes and watch those veins pop. 5. Skipping the basics, hydration, gravity, positioning, let the arm hang below the heart. Ask the patient to open and close their fist. Simple tricks, big difference. And here's a pro tip. If you don't feel confident, don't poke. Call for help. Learn from watching. Mastery takes time, not just guts. So next time you prep for an IV, don't just go in. Go in smart. Like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful, and tag a fellow healthcare worker who needs this today.